.se.
Why? 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 Hey, Daddy, I snacked these hoes. I stuck my pee-pee in some Cheerios. I got a pencil in my nose and I beat my diaper everywhere I go. Like a hot like a bunny, poop my pants and now it's running. I go, ooh, ooh, you think that's funny? I stuff my diaper with all my money. Jeffy, why? Jeffy, don't do that. Why? Jeffy, eat your green beans. Why? Jeffy, don't poop your pants. Why? Got piano solo. Oh, Jeffy, stop it! Why?
Oh, damn! Oh, jeez! Oh, this one is going to be a win. Oh, it's going to be a winner. Jeez! Oh, that is a masterpiece right there. Oh, I need to take a picture of that for Donkey. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go, yeah. But let's tag Donkey in this. LOL, look at my poop. Hashtag Donkey needs to see it. Hashtag YOLO. Hashtag stinks really bad. Oh, damn. Oh, I need to wipe. Oh, man. Donkey! I need toilet paper! Where's Donkey with the toilet paper? He always uses it up.
What, Shrek?
Donkey? You used all the toilet paper last time you were in here taking a crap. And why do you think it is okay to not put toilet paper back?
I did not use the toilet paper. I don't even use this bathroom. You used it up. You're the only one that uses this bathroom.
Donkey? Don't lie to me, because when I got in here to take a crap, there was a turd floating in here that resembled the one on your face. So don't try to tell me that you do not use this bathroom.
I don't use this bathroom, Shrek.
Shut your mouth.
Look,
I need toilet paper, so give me toilet paper right now, Donkey.
okay, look, fine. I'll get you toilet paper if you call me by my real name. I hate it when you call me Donkey. That's not my real name.
Okay. Donkey, will you please go get me some toilet paper?
Donkey is not my real name. You've been calling me Donkey for the last 6 years. My name is Mario.
Donkey, I've read your driver's license and I've seen your birth certificate. It says Donkey.
No, it doesn't. It says Mario.
You're lying. Just give me the toilet paper because the poop is starting to crust. Please!
I will only get you the toilet paper if you call me Mario, just once.
Okay. All right, here we go. I will say it just for you.
Okay, say it.
Donkey, get the toilet paper.
You know, I'm not getting it. I'm not getting your toilet paper.
Stop being stubborn.
I'm not getting your toilet paper.
He'll come back. He'll come back. Well, I'm starting to think he's not coming back. Let's see. Oh, well, I guess a little toilet paper will have to do. Oh, here we go. My finger broke through. Oh, that was weird. Oh, anyway, it's weird. All right. Is that a penny? Oh, I always heard that after you take massive shit, you get one wish from the shit fairy. So, here goes nothing. Oh, I got to make a wish first. I wish Donkey was a real donkey. Shit, I dropped it. Redo. I get to redo. Oh, here we go. I wish Donkey was a real donkey. Ew, gross. Diarrhea. Alright, Alright, guys. Time to go eat some cheesecake.
Oh, Shrek makes me so mad. I don't look like a donkey. Why does he keep calling me donkey? I'm gonna go see what Woody's doing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, these look delicious. These were some hard-ass ones to catch last night. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be a delicious sandwich. Delicious.